Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi, the founder of Ridhan Array, and welcome you all to yet another rocking episode of Unfiltered with Surabhi. So when we talk about ladies' best friend, jewelry comes undoubtedly first in mind. So talking about such jewelry brands and talking about jewelry, uh, whereas we have the brands where Amitabh Bachchan and all are endorsing, we have another brand, my favorite brand, which is Peach Bling, and which is a rocking brand in Pune. So today we have Mrs. Prajakta Soni, the representative of Peach Bling, talking to us about the jewelry brand. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Prajakta. Tell us something about the brand.
So, Peach Bling is a silver jewelry brand. So, we started it last year. So, basically, we have a background of gold jewelry. Basically. So, my father-in-law, उनका 40 years का business है in jewelry business. So, few years back we
Gold
started
jewelry or gold or silver?
gold and silver.
Achha, okay.
So, few years back we started our own jewelry shop. So that is a traditional gold and silver jewelry जो अपना normal jewelry shop होता है ना, it is more or like that. So then we realized कि it is more of a मतलब जब ये gold and silver shop रहता है, it is more concentrated on the gold jewelry जैसे. And in that also silver is like very minimum area और उसमें भी silver jewelry का बहुत ही कम section होता है. So and as we see like gold का prices बहुत high हो चुका है. So we thought that like market में अभी जो silver jewelry है, that is in trend nowadays. So we thought of starting our own brand which is mainly focused on silver jewelry.
Okay.
So that is how we started with Peach Bling.
So आपने कहा कि you mainly have gold. So gold में भी do you have content because जो आपके जैसे I am also wearing one of their brand Peach Bling Mangalsutra, silver Mangalsutra, and I am really fan of it because it goes very well with traditional as well as western outfit. So this is there permanent in my hand. So आप ये बताओ जब gold का है तो is this only dealing with traditional jewelry या फिर gold में भी you have contemporary?
In gold also we have contemporary and basically in Peach Bling हमारा main focus है to give like jewelry जो हम daily wear कर सकते हैं. So we have all categories like we have different products that is we have anklets, Mangalsutra, we have bracelets, then earrings, ring. So it caters a large मतलब उसमें traditional भी आता है and contemporary भी आता है. Mainly we are focused to the fashion jewelry जो contemporary आता है which goes both with your traditional and western outfits या फिर daily wear आप जो बोलते हैं वैसे.
Right. जो हमने आपका कलेक्शन देखा है बिकॉज आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ सिल्वर तो मेरा ध्यान सिल्वर पे ही है जो हमने आपका कलेक्शन देखा यू हैव वेरी चिक कलेक्शन लाइक अभी भी मेरी नजर आपकी उस पे जा रही है फेदर्स आर समथिंग व्हिच अट्रैक्ट सो यू हैव वेरी चिक कलेक्शन मतलब नॉट दैट समथिंग व्हिच इज सिल्वर की भी बात करो तो मोस्टली लोगों के पास वो ट्रेडिशनल टिपिकल सिल्वर होती है वो एक पर्ल लगा के दे दिया या कुछ ऐसे करके क्रिस्टल्स लगा दिए कुछ बट आपका जो देखा इट इज मेनली कार्विंग एंड मोस्टली यू नो मतलब जो ऑफिस वेयर लोगों को पसंद है एंड ऑल दिस सो व्हाट इज द आइडिया बिहाइंड दैट
idea behind that is you can wear it regularly. So nowadays मतलब अगर आपको कोई function में भी जाना like nowadays there are different kind of functions, not the bigger functions ऐसे कि किसी के birthday party में जाना है or just hanging out with our friends. So we need some minimum jewelry, but it should highlight, but उतना too much भी ना लगे ऐसे. So we came up with this thought and basically हमारा जो jewelry रहता है it we mainly focus कि हमारा unique designs रहे and which can go both on traditional and like party wear या ऐसे. You can wear it casually as well.
right.
So you can wear it like any time ऐसे.
अच्छा प्राजक्ता जूलरी की जब बात करते हैं तो आजकल वो भी नहीं रह गया कि जूलरी ओनली फॉर मेल और ओनली फॉर फीमेल वो अलग ही हिसाब किताब नहीं रह गया तो व्हाट इज देयर एनी टारगेटेड एज ग्रुप यू आर लुकिंग फॉर मतलब आप जिसको टारगेट कर रहे हो या यू आर हैविंग सेक्शंस फॉर एवरीबॉडी
So mainly we have sections for everybody, but currently we are more focused on females. We do have collection for kids as well. So kids में भी हमारे पास wide range है, like earrings है, bracelets, kids specific है. So kids के लिए थोड़ा funky animal based जो आते हैं jewelries, we have those kind of. But mainly we are focused on females. For main we have chains like studs, we have bands, we have. But in that also, if you have any design or so, as we are like we have our own workshop, so
That's
हम वो
okay.
customize भी करके देते हैं. So any jewelry in silver or you, if you have design, we customize that.
So customization is only in silver or in gold as well?
We do gold as well.
Gold as well.
Yeah.
So like suppose कोई gold की design है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई and I want the same replica in silver, so that can be done?
Yes, yes,
Wow.
definitely. In fact, I have done few of my friends have done their मंगलसूत्र. तो उनको initials चाहिए थे. So just उन्होंने पहले वो ऐसा gold में बनवाया था and किसी ने तो बोला था कि it will not be in silver या ऐसे something like that.
अच्छा, okay.
So she came to me and I said it will be done ऐसे. So जैसे उनको चाहिए था मतलब जो chain चाहिए था with so and so number of black beads,
हाँ.
फिर उनका जो pendant था specific, वो सब हमने customize करके दिया.
Okay, good, because nowadays they say कि we are open to customization. ये मेरे संग खुद हुआ है कि when I have taken something, some particular design, कि I want this design to be replicated in silver or this design to be replicated in gold or whatever it is. So they say कि नहीं ये नहीं हो पाएगा, इसके लिए आपको 2 महीना लगेगा, 3 महीना लगेगा. So they take and उसके बाद they say कि नहीं हो पाएगा. So if you can do that, मतलब that is a big thing for. I think most of our viewers will be happy to know कि they do customization also as per your needs. So Prajakta, tell me one thing. You are, I mean, like, how was your journey with Peach Play? You as a person, like, अगर मैंने brand की बात की, अगर मैं आपकी बात करूँ, you are representing Peach Play. So how has been your journey with Peach Play?
Peach Play actually मतलब ऐसे हुआ ना कि in our area, basically हमारा ये thought था few years back also कि हम will start with our own brand. But वो एक kick नहीं मिल रही थी when to start. So in our area there was a small exhibition held by some ladies. So that time we thought कि चलो let's start with this. So फिर ऐसे हुआ कि being the ladies group, so that's where I pitched it कि चलो let's start. और मैंने उनसे कांटेक्ट किया है कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं. इनिशियली मुझे भी कोई आइडिया नहीं थी कि कैसे मार्केट में वो ब्रांड एस्टैब्लिश करना है. सो धीरे धीरे वी लाइक वर्कड आउट और वो इट्स नाउ Peach Play.
So you're a mother also. How difficult it was to work, मतलब with a brand also. घर के भी काम होते हैं, बच्चे अभी तो how difficult it was stepping out and getting into some new idea.
This credit goes to my husband as well. He is my co-founder as well. So and apart from that, family support बहुत important रहता है. So I have a kid, but जब भी हम exhibitions में जाते हैं, so my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they are there to take care of my kid. So it becomes a bit easier. So मतलब अगर family support है, then you can do something. And as it is a family business, so all of my family is involved in it. So उतना pressure नहीं आता है. But yeah, everyone has their own bit to do.
Right. Because when I thought तो बहुत सी चीजें कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ी कि ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, अगर ये हुआ तो क्या होगा, and because of which it took me a long time to adjust things.
But इसमें ऐसे भी हुआ ना कि we had experience of my father-in-law. So उनका experience और जो हमने शॉप में जो establish करने में हमको जो experience मिला, so वो हमने Peach Play में use किया है.
Okay. Any such experience or any such incident which you remember in your throughout journey, मतलब जिसने आपको inspire किया हो, या फिर कुछ ऐसे incident होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे नहीं होते लेकिन एक वो दिमाग में छाप छोड़ जाते हैं. Any such incident?
Not specific incident, but whenever I see females like you, ऐसे तो I get inspiration कि I can do much more things. And I am capable of that. ऐसे मुझे लगता है. Just we need a push ऐसे. Because there are lots of females जो parallelly बहुत सारी चीजें करती हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस मुकाबले में कुछ भी नहीं करती. So like seeing that wall also, ऐसे लगता है कि I have nothing to portray on my wall.
नहीं, बहुत कुछ है आपके पास. See, it is always like grass is greener on the other side. We all, being ladies also, we all go through our own share of struggles and constraints and all everything. So you may have faced something which I have not faced. I may have faced something which you have not faced. So everybody has their own struggle. But you yourself is an inspiration to me. That day I was seeing you. You know every detail about the product. Like when I started, I also started a product-based thing. I'm being an artist. I used to make stuff and but जितने patiently आप details समझाते हो उतना patience मेरे अंदर नहीं है. I can tell you, I can have all the patience in this world to make something. Like when I do Madhubani or Patijan Diffai and all, I have all the patience. But अगर वही चीज किसी को explain करनी पड़े ना, तो I run short of it, which you have, which I don't have. So after like when I was buying this bracelet only, I remember I've taken 2, 3, and then I clicked and sent it, and then under all these things. So you had all the things. इसको ऐसे रखे देखो इसमें ये चीजें इसमें ये चीज. That matters.
This is mainly because all the jewelry I have selected, like हम जब वेंडर्स के पास जाते हैं, so I make sure कि it is easy to use, जो लोग डेली वेयर कर सके, और वो जो मतलब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें रहती है, वो कोई भी ज्वेलरी इसमें उसमें अटक जाती है, तो आई नो दोज कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, इसलिए फिर मैं उस एंगल से सोचती हूँ कि ये इजी टू यूज़ कैसे है. एंड ऑब्वियसली एज आई सेड, वी आर सिलेक्टिंग दिस ज्वेलरी पीस बाय पीस, सो वी नो कि हमारे पास क्या अवेलेबल है और क्या नहीं, so I can give better input to my customers.
Actually, tell me one thing. When you make, मतलब you source the silver thing and get it done there, or you you have vendors who make and then you select the design.
It's a combination of everything. We have a few of our jewelries are imported, few are like we make it, या फिर few जो है जो लोगों के पास workshop है and we source from them. So it is a combination of everything.
So how much time does it take? मतलब आपका अगर मैं बोलूँ कि suppose कोई lot आ रहा है या any particular designs are coming, so how much time it takes? मतलब how much brain breaking it needs? Because normally लोगों को ये देखता है कि अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, या this is different, this is something regular, or this is something new. So how much I want my audience to know कि how much brain breaking is there or how much effort is there choosing each and every piece which they see.
It's actually very difficult because when we are there, when we go to select the pieces, so ऐसा नहीं होता, we are just selecting one section. We have to select for 10 different categories. Like we have anklets, earrings. So after a point you get blank. So थोड़ा बहुत focused रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and that is like a bit difficult part इसमें. We need to be focused, और वो minimum time में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा focus रह के वो shortlist करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, इसमें जैसे crystals में होता है कि हम लोग select करते हैं कि ये original crystal है या ये resin made है, because आजकल market में duplicacy भी एक से ज़्यादा है. So do you face that constraint कि जहाँ पे आपको कोई crystal jewelry दिखाई जा रही है तो you have to check कि मतलब if there is any silver crystal mix or something like that, तो you have to check कि ये duplicate है कि नहीं है.
नहीं, mainly जो हमारे सारी ज्वेलरीज है, we are not using like original stones. Those are artificial ones. So mostly people, मतलब जो आप बोल रहे हैं जो traditional stones जो रहते हैं, original stones रहते हैं, those we have in our shop. But जो हमारा peachling के अंडर है, we don't have those sort of things.
Those sort of, हाँ. So otherwise it is just the normal selection.
Normal stocks, yes.
Normal
So
stock.
उसमें मतलब बहुत लोगों को constraint होता है कि can I use it or can we not use it. It depends on your moon sign or sun sign like that. But हमारे पास वैसे crystals नहीं है. We have normal crystals which anyone can wear.
Right. Because I've seen with crystals people have this problem कि original है नहीं है. Because crystals, if not original, they actually have different effect. So that is there. Otherwise, I would like to know one thing. Like we talk about jewelry, so it is all glittery and glimsy and all those things. अब showrooms में बड़े-बड़े pendants and all those things आते हैं जिनको देख के लगता है यार ये बजट से बाहर है. So there are many jewelry shops which also have these monthly EMI system something. I'm not very sure about it, but they have this thing कि you keep on depositing a certain amount till certain time period, and then you buy something out of it, or you can buy jewelry on EMI. This was one thing which I have heard very recently. So do you also provide these kind of things?
Basically, this thing we have it on our shop, but if we consider peach ring, मैक्सिमम हमारी ज्वेलरी 500 to 2000 के रेंज में है. सो अगर इतना मिनिमम टिकट है तो मतलब इतना मिनिमम बाइंग है तो पीपल डोंट गो फॉर EMIs.
Right.
So मतलब though it is a silver jewelry, it is not expensive. So if we talk about earrings, so my
Right.
earrings or studs start from 120. So अगर आपको मिनिमम ऐसे डेली वेयर के लिए earrings चाहिए, so it will come into 250 pair. So for such small amount, people will not need an EMI.
Right. And for gold ones, you have this, is it? Okay. And this depositing that I have very recently went to a jewelry shop, so they had this thing. You deposit 500 per month up to 2 years, and then you can take the certain thing. So for gold, you have something like this.
Yes.
So they can deposit and then take it in one go.
Yeah.
Okay. So because मतलब मुझे ये चीज I have never heard of it. So this was something new for me. They are saying we have schemes.
Yes.
You deposit this amount every month and then you take it. So I was like, first thing I asked them is, can I take the money back? I don't want anything. Can I take the money back? They said no. You have to buy something. You cannot take the money back. So I was like, okay. Then I asked them, can I buy first and then keep on giving installment like how we buy car and other things. So I said, can I buy it on EMI? They said, no,
It's the reverse way.
it's a reverse way. I was like, okay, now Tanishq and all, everybody is offering these things. So this was a news for me. Acha Prajakta, you have been associated with me for quite some time now. I would like to know how have been your association with Radhana. You have been part of Ramya, which is a division of Radhana. So how have you been your association with Radhana?
I think we had one exhibition with you, and like initially ऐसे मतलब था कि कोई और भी कोई silver jewelry था आपके साथ.
Right.
But I liked the way that you were very transparent with me. कि like you said that let me talk with the other lady first and then we can work it out. But वो एक अच्छा था कि मतलब अगर monopoly stalls रहे then it's good for everyone.
It's good for you.
And I mainly like the transparency, and after that also हमने जब बात की so वो ऐसा था ना कि एक personal touch आता है. So you gave me few of marketing tips. अपनी शायद बात हुई थी
वो ज्ञान में ऐसे बांटती रहती हूँ. I get it from my team and then I further say.
But it's good ना, it's good to share knowledge with everyone. So वो ऐसे था कि I like those tips and I'm definitely going to implement that. And ये एक अच्छा है कि like just not growing ourselves but अपने साथ बाकी लोगों को grow करना. This thing I like very much. Yes.
It is good. I may be lacking somewhere else that I can learn from you. And I'll not say lacking, but because I've seen you very well represent your thing. So I may learn something from you. So it is learning it together and growing together. So that is how it goes. And I very strongly believe in that. So Prajakta, any tips or any tricks you want to tell people about your store offering or your brand offering, which is different from the other brands, other competitors? Like if we go in market nowadays, everybody is having there was a name somebody told, budget jewelry section, budget like Tanishq has Carrot Lane. So similarly, everybody is coming into these days for budget jewelry. So I personally have lumpy line about why Peach Blink is different from others, what I have seen. But then, would you like to tell the viewers how your brand is different from, or your brand is offering something which the other brands are not offering?
So definitely we are also a budget jewelry brand. And it's like मतलब हमारा जो designs and all है, like I have got compliment that like you also said कि ऐसे designs नहीं देखने हैं. So yeah, that is the main USP, and the fact that we are choosing each and every piece, so that also come into picture. And after that we give after service as well. So even if there is some breakage, मतलब होते रहता है, jewelry है, if you are wearing it daily, so there are chances कि कुछ breakage वगैरह होते हैं, so we provide after service as well. And as it is a budget jewelry brand, so you can consider it for gifting purpose and so on. And if we compare to other jewelry brands. So मतलब initially हमको ये constraint था कि people were asking कि like we buy traditional jewelries or whatever jewelries from our vendors like our stores. So हम आपके पास से क्यों लें? So but वही था कि we like gave them assurance कि we have different designs and we have it in much cheaper rates. So आप अगर same jewelry आप देखने जाओ, so we have मतलब कोई ऐसी jewelries है, I have seen it on other people's website कि वो it is much costly and we have it in much cheaper rates. So that is one constraint. And to gain the trust of people, to gain the trust of customers, we show them the hallmark on every jewelry we have hallmark. So हमने भी vendors ऐसे ही नहीं choose किए. We trust them. We are working with them since like so many years. तो ऐसे ही हम कोई भी vendor को लेते हैं. So we trust our vendors as well. हम check करते हैं उनकी authenticity भी, क्योंकि हम हमारे customers को भी proper silver jewelry ही देते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ भी दे दे और we are not selling it कि हाँ ये silver है. So hallmark jewelry है हमारे पास सारी, and we give certificate as well. We give a certificate of authenticity कि it is a pure silver jewelry 9 to 5 jewelry, and उसमें हमारा BSI number and all the trademark, the number and registered number and it is there. And we also give GST bill. So even if you want to resell it somewhere, so ऐसे ही नहीं कोई जाके jewelry sell कर सकता. You need to show that you have like कहीं से तो खरीदा है. So for that you need GST bills. Otherwise people will think कि आपने कहीं से तो चोरी किया and you are selling it. So because of that we also give GST bills. So you can मतलब जो silver value है तो मतलब यही थॉट रहता है ना कि सिल्वर है, so at a point I'll sell. So you can also sell that.
अच्छा, okay, मतलब if I have got something and after some point if I want to sell it out, so I can come back to you and sell it out.
Yes. जो यही चीज रहती है कि जो आप imitation लेते हो, so if you buy 2,000 rupees on any imitation jewelry, so you don't have any return value on that. In silver you will definitely get some amount कि जो कुछ तो मिले आपको.
Right. This is a good thing. So अभी आपको एक बहुत मजेदार है, आपने बोला ना 9 to 5 का hallmark है. So I'm not a jewelry person. I've never been a jewelry person. Not at all. ये एक नया शौक है पिछले 2-3 साल से. That is all. I'm not at all into jewelries and all. So initially somebody told us कि we have 9 to 5 jewelry. What struck me was कि it is 9 to 5 means जो आप मतलब जो office hours में आप पहन सको 9 to 5 literally.
Okay.
So very late in life I realized that 9 to 5 is the hallmark.
Yes.
So I think getting one-stop solution for your branded jewelry, the hallmark jewelry 9 to 5, not mera wala 9 to 5, then you can sell it back also. You get maintenance also in case if anything happens. You get that service also. You get purity also, and you get assurance certificate also. What else somebody need? I'm like, I personally would prefer, and I any which ways prefer them. So I'll, I'm like request you all also, please go visit them on the website. You have a website also.
Soon we'll be launching.
You will be getting, okay. So I have their number and I'm open for bribes. So you can, bribe me up for their number. You can ping us up for their number and we will connect you to them. Definitely look into their collection and I can assure you, you will never ever like to go anywhere else. Thank you Prajakta, thank you for joining us, giving your time, and it was wonderful talking to you. Though I am not a jewelry person, but knowing such insights about jewelry was always good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.